ilongga diha nga nanguan, nanaway kang Inday Sara nga dito kabalo mo English Inday Sara?
Ako!
Day.
Ako si Tim Tarte. Isa po akong Ilongga na nagsabi din na si Sara Duterte ay mahina po sa English. O tapos, hindi lang po ako nag-iisa. Marami po, hindi lang Ilongga at mga Ilonggo, kundi halos lahat ng mga Pilipino. Nagsasabi po talaga, at yan ang observation namin, na si Sara Duterte ay mahina po talaga sa English at hindi talaga siya magaling sa wikang English. Mano ka? Kasuhay na? Kabarangay ka? Ano? Galoon na kami sa Korte Suprema? Wala tayong dapat debatihan sa pag-i-English ni Sara kay makita man natin the way siya magsalita kahit panuurin mo. Paulit-ulit ang mga video ni Sara Duterte. Hindi lang kami ang naka-observe niyan. Kahit kayo na mga DDS, alam niyo yan. Okay, tapos ano pinaglalaban mo, Chay?
Eh, at least, Day,
No.
she's using the originality, Day.
Oh.
Sariling kultura, Day. In short, kung bugo ka, just shut up your mouth.
You should shut up your mouth, bugo. Parehas ka mo ni Sara bugoon. Do you understand the difference between culture and language? Ha, gaga? Mag-English ka, hindi mo alam yung pinagsasabi mo nga animal ka. Alam mo ba ang difference? Alam mo ba ang pinagkaiba ng kultura at wika or lingwahe, alinganga? Anong kultura ang pinagsasabi mo, Day? Ha? Kailangan ko pa i-explain sa'yo? I-explain ko pa ba sa'yo kung anong ang pinagkaiba ng kultura at ang lingwahe? O sige, diretso tayo. Kung ang pinaglalaban mo ay lingwahe ni Sara, which is Bisaya, nga dapat magbisaya lang din siya, shame on you and shame on her. You know why? Sara Duterte is the Vice President of the Philippines. Second, to the highest position in our country. Not only she's a VP, she's also a lawyer. O ngayon, I will ask you, do you know someone, a lawyer, attorney, that don't know how to speak English? Or do you know someone, an attorney, that not good in English? Wala, di ba? Si Sara Duterte lang. Ano ka? Ano yung paglaban mo? Okay. Ilagay na natin. If one day Sara Duterte will become the President of the Philippines, how can she communicate with the other leaders of the other country? What she will do in Day? She will do sign language? Because she don't know how to communicate in English? Yes, you're right. English is not our national language. But English is international language. Which is not only in the Philippines, English is very important also to the other country. So that we can communicate with each other. Ganon yun, beautiful tao, di ba? O, pasensya lang sa English ko, hindi naman ako abogada. Di ba? Ganon yung Day. That is the important role sa English nga ginangaw-ngaw mo. Ganon ka-importante ang English sa sistema ng mundo, gaga. So, Sara Duterte, she's not capable to be the president of the Philippines. Yes, she's not capable. She's not capable. Really, she's not capable. She don't have the ability. She don't have a good communication skills because she don't know how to speak English. English is very important in our daily lives in life. Even us Kagama, we're always talking English, right? We always speak English here in Middle East, in another country. Hello, Sara Duterte, you're the Vice President, but look at the ordinary people, Filipino people, very good in English, very fluent in English. We, Bisaya, we all know that Bisaya are very good in English. But how about Sara Duterte? Kaluoy. Huwag na natin ipilit, Day. Huwag ka nang mag-ano dyan, huwag ka nang magbugto-bugto yung ugat mo para ilaban talaga kasi hindi talaga siya marunong mag-English. Pero, pag ikaw talaga magaling ka, if you're very good in Day, then teach your VP how to speak and understand English very well, okay? And most of all, teach her how to use computer. Okay? Bye.